I'm here to talk to you today about an important topic, insurance. I know it's not an exciting topic, but please stay with me for just a couple minutes because it's important, really important. Lots of us have our own cars, or maybe you are just getting ready to get your first car. I know you're excited for your first car. I know I was, but it's important to understand auto insurance. You have to have auto insurance to drive your car legally in Maryland and for good reasons. If you have an accident and you are at fault, your financial future can be wrecked if you do not have insurance. Let's dive quickly into a few terms you need to know. Premium, deductible, claim. Your premium is the amount you pay your insurer for your insurance policy. Your deductible is the amount you will have to pay out of pocket to fix or replace your car before your insurance will kick in if you have a covered claim. For example, if you have a $500 collision deductible and you are at fault for the accident, you will have to pay for the first $500 of repairs out of pocket, and your insurer will only pay for the repairs that exceed $500. So, you should choose a deductible that is affordable and works for you. Generally, the higher the deductible amount you choose, the lower your premium will be. But it's important that you can afford to pay your deductible so you can afford to fix or replace your car if you have an accident. But what's a claim? A claim is the process of asking your insurer to make a payment to replace or repair what has been damaged. Your policy will only pay for damages that are covered by your policy, or what is called a covered claim, up to the dollar limits of your policy. Your policy will explain how to file a claim, but many policies just require you to call your insurer or insurance producer, also known as an agent or broker. So always remember to call your insurer if you get into an accident. They're here to help us. Understanding the parts of your insurance policy is important too. Liability coverage is what you absolutely positively need to put your car on the road. If you own a car and drive without it, you are breaking the law. Liability coverage can protect you from financial peril if you cause an accident and cause injury or property damage to someone else. But remember, even if you have insurance and the claim is covered, the policy will only pay up to the amount of your coverage limits. You will have to pay for any damages that exceed those limits. If you took out a loan to buy or lease your car, your lender may also require that you purchase comprehensive and collision coverage. Those are the parts of the policy that protect your own car. If you own your car outright, you can decide if comprehensive and collision make sense for you. But if you don't get coverage and you cause a collision, or if something crazy happens like a tree falling on your car or your car gets stolen, you'll have to pay the full cost to fix or replace your own car. I hope this lesson was useful to you, and we have lots more information on our webpage if you want to learn more. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.